Discuss the first problem which came in RMO 2019. The question is from number theory, which says that suppose x is a non-zero real number such that both x to the power 5 as well as 20x plus 19 by x are rational numbers. We have to prove that x will also be a rational number. So let's discuss the proof. So 20x plus 19 by x is a rational number. So let's take it to be some b, where b is in the set of rational numbers. And let's multiply with x. So we get 20x squared is nothing but b times x minus 19. And from here, just note down the value of x squared, which is nothing but bx minus 19 by 20. And also, let's note this as equation 1. So, our idea is to proceed forward and multiply with x on both the sides and bring this quantity 20x squared to some 20x to the power 5, and since we know that x to the power 5 is rational, so then we'll get our left hand side to be rational, and on the other side we'll be substituting this value of x squared each time and bring this RHS in linear form of x, so that we get the value of x into some form of rationals from where we can conclude that x is rational. So that's the idea. So let's multiply with x on both the sides. So it's 20x cubed is equals to b times x squared minus 19. Now we know the value of x squared. So let's put it. So this is nothing but b times x minus 19 by 20 minus 19, x. So 20x cubed will be equals to b square by 20 x minus 19x, and the constant term will be minus 19 by 20 times b, which is also rational. As you can see, b is rational and 19 by 20 is also rational. So 20x cubed, and if we take this x common, so we get b square by 20 minus 19. So you notice that b square by 20 is rational, and so minus 19, the whole thing is rational. So let's write it in some form of p1x minus p2, where p1 and p2 are also rational. Now notice that this form is similar to the form that we got in equation 1, where b was the rational and minus 19 was also another rational. Okay. So now if we again multiply with x, so we'll get x to the power 4 on this side, and that will be p1x square minus p2x, and again similarly substituting, we'll get this in the form of p3x minus p4, where p3 and p4 are rational numbers. Okay, and again we'll multiply with x on both the sides. So let's go to the next page. So 20x to the power 5 will be equals to, let's see, p3x square minus p4x. p3x square minus p4x. And again, if we just substitute the value of x square, we'll get this in the form of some p5x minus p6, where all those pi's are rationals. And now x to the power 5 is rational, that is given. So 20x to the power 5 is also rational. So let's take it to be some p7, which is rational, and plus p6 by p5, which is equals to x. And now notice that sum of two rationals will be rational, and thus this x will be equals to some p8 by p5, and which is rational by rational, and which will also be a rational number, p9. Okay, and thus this is proved that x is rational.